All right, big news for anyone doing business in the UAE. Starting in 2026, the way you handle invoices is about to change completely. And I'm not talking about a minor software update. This is a fundamental shift in how transactions are handled and how taxes get reported. So let's break down exactly what this means for you.
And look, this isn't some far-off maybe thing. The clock is already ticking. So the most important question for you and your business right now is this: are you actually ready for what's coming?
So, here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with the mandate itself. Then we'll decode some of the new tech jargon you need to know. We'll walk through the new invoicing model, explore the real-world impact on your business, and most importantly, give you a clear path to get compliant.
Okay, let's dive right in. What is this mandate really all about? What's actually changing here? Here it is, plain and simple. Come July 2026, if you're invoicing another business or a government entity, it has to be done electronically through the new system. That means your standard PDFs, your paper invoices, they're about to become obsolete. This is a mandatory, nationwide change, no exceptions.
Now, to get ready for this, you're going to hear two new words a lot: Peppol and PINT. Think of them as the new language your business will need to speak.
So first, let's talk about Peppol. It's not a software you install. The easiest way to get it is to think about like a super secure global highway built just for business documents like e-invoices. Once your business is on this highway, you can connect with any other business on it no matter where they are in the world.
Okay, so if Peppol is the highway, PINT AE is the official car you have to drive on it here in the UAE. It's the specific official format. And it's not a visual document for you to read, it's pure structured data that computers can read and understand in a split second with zero errors.
And this right here really shows you the before and after. We're moving from the old way, on the left, invoices made for human eyes, which, let's be honest, means typos and manual data entry, to the new standard on the right. It's all about structured data for machines. The goal isn't just for a person to read it, it's for systems to process it instantly.
So, how does an invoice actually get from A to B in this new world? This is where the UAE has a really unique system called the five-corner model. First, let's quickly look at how it works in most places. It's a simple four-corner setup. The seller's system sends it through their access point onto the Peppol network. The buyer's access point then grabs it and delivers it to their system. Simple, right? A to B to C to D. But here in the UAE, they've added a game-changing fifth corner. See that step 5? As your invoice is flying across the network, a copy gets sent in real time straight to the federal tax authority. Every single time. And this is the whole point. The FTA isn't just getting a report at the end of the quarter anymore. They become an active participant in the transaction as it happens. We're talking about continuous, automated, real-time tax compliance. It's a massive change.
Okay, so you might be thinking this is just a job for the IT department, right? Wrong. This change is going to ripple through your entire business, especially your finance and operations teams.
Yeah, this quote says it all. The new system is designed for perfection. If you have the wrong tax code, an old supplier VAT number, or a missing customer ID, the invoice just fails. It won't go through. Clean, accurate data suddenly goes from being a nice-to-have to being absolutely critical for your cash flow.
So, what does this mean for your ERP system, the heart of your financials? Well, it needs a serious upgrade. It has to be able to create these special PINT AE files, connect to a certified provider through an API, map all your data correctly. I mean, the list goes on. It's a big job. And just to give you a concrete idea of what we mean by mapping, look at this. You've got all of this data sitting in your system. PO numbers, VAT numbers, invoice totals. The challenge is to connect each one of those pieces of data to the exact right field in that new XML file. It's like a giant, high-stakes digital puzzle.
All right, that's a lot to take in, I know. We've talked about the what and the why, so now let's talk about the how. What's your step-by-step roadmap to get your business ready for this?
First things first, let's talk deadlines. The pilot program for large businesses kicks off in late 2025. Then, for them, it's go time in July 2026. And just 6 months later, it's everyone else who's registered for VAT. That timeline is going to approach faster than you think.
So what can you do to prepare today? Here's a simple checklist. 1. Assess your current systems. Can they even handle this? 2. Pick a Ministry of Finance accredited provider who can be your gateway to the network. 3, and I cannot stress this enough, start cleaning your customer and supplier data now. Finally, train your teams and test the whole thing from end to end.
You know, that first step, assessing your systems, can honestly be the hardest part. Where do you even begin? Well, the good news is you don't have to figure it out alone. The folks at Professionals Lobby are experts in this stuff, and they offer a free readiness assessment. They'll help you figure out exactly where you stand and what you need to do. It's a fantastic place to start your journey.
Look, I get it. A mandate can feel like a burden, but I want you to reframe this because this is a huge opportunity. Imagine getting paid faster because invoices are processed instantly. Imagine fewer tax errors because everything is validated in real time. You'll even be able to trade seamlessly with companies in over 40 other countries on the same network. This is more than just compliance. It's a real business upgrade.
So I'll leave you with this question to think about. Is this e-invoicing mandate just another regulatory box you have to check? Or is it the push your business needs to truly go digital, to streamline your finances, and to get ahead of the curve? The future of your business operations could really depend on how you answer that.